Understanding Site Planning, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, site planning. This term is often used in architecture and urban planning, but it's also applicable in various other contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Site planning refers to the process of organizing the use of land and design of a space or location. This involves considering different elements like layout, accessibility, and environment. For instance, when a new building is to be constructed, architects and planners decide where each part of the building should go, how people will move around it, and how it fits into its surroundings. Several key components make up site planning. These include 1. Layout. The arrangement of structures, roads, and open spaces. 2. Accessibility. How people enter, move around, and leave the site. 3. Environment. Considering natural elements like sunlight, wind, and landscape. 4. Regulations. Following local laws and guidelines for construction and design. Understanding these components helps in grasping the comprehensive nature of site planning. Site planning is crucial for several reasons. Efficient use of space. It ensures that the available land is used optimally. Safety and accessibility. Good planning makes sites safe and accessible for everyone. Environmental sustainability. It involves making choices that are beneficial for the environment. You can see examples of site planning in everyday life. For instance, the layout of a shopping mall, the design of a park, or even the arrangement of a school campus are all outcomes of careful site planning. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of site planning. Remember, it's all about how we organize and design the spaces around us. Keep practicing your English and look out for examples of site planning in your daily life. See you in our next video.